Hi, I'm going to talk you through one of the activities in your Christmas party bag. This one comes in a small brown paper bag with a titled Christmas decoration on. Inside you'll find a green foam Christmas tree and various sequins and pom-poms. You can add more to it, we've just got a few there to give you an idea. So you will need some PVA glue or possibly some double-sided sticky tape. Stick the tape onto the objects and help your child stick them around the Christmas tree. Use some hand over hand. The ones that you can put sticky tape on might be good so that the child can just stick them wherever they want if they can aim by themselves. You could make this more of a sensory decoration by adding some scent to make it smell like a Christmas tree. Let your child feel each object before you put them on, and then after, feel the shape of the tree and put them on that way. We look forward to seeing your photographs that we need to enter into the prize draw. Thanks very much. Enjoy the rest of the day.